LED Professional Symposium and Expo and Trends in Lighting Forum and Show are the comprehensive events that spark debate and reveal the latest technologies, trends, research, design, and applications in lighting for today and tomorrow. In 2020, LpS celebrates its 10th year.
I think the great thing about working here with light is that it's always a challenge. No matter how many projects you do and where you work, there's always exciting projects to be and challenges to be met.
Trends in Lighting is the unique international lighting forum and show that bridges the gap between lighting design and lighting research and technologies.
It's a really exciting time, and what will never change is the humans and the physics of light and the emotional connection between the two of them. And I think the other thing that is the big thing that will happen in the next 10, 15 years is the role of digitization, data, software with light.
The events see over 1,700 international attendees come together to share ideas, network, develop relationships, and begin collaborations that will make light and lighting better for us all.
The quality of light is important, and we think that there's not just one light that can cover the whole day of a human. So there are certain sectors, certain applications that needs a different light.
The biggest challenge is that as the technology has shifted completely over the last 15 or 20 years, I think the discussion about what is good lighting or what people need from lighting in terms of well-being and what have you has not kept up with the sophistication of the technology.
LpS and TiL want to help its attendees realize the full potential and value of lighting and bring together the most fascinating innovators, inventors, and industry leaders. At over 40 workshops and panel discussions and an impressive exhibition, delegates can access the most unique networking experience in the lighting industry calendar.
I think one of the major findings of the last year is that we have projections from the retina, from the light entering the eye, to several brain areas, not only to the biological clock, but the new finding is that there are direct projections to areas involved, for instance, in mood regulation.
We're discussing in the expert scene how public space is changing and how do we make it more interactive and more enjoyable, because a market square, for example, is the dining room or the living room for the public.
World-class lectures, multiple workshops, and trailblazing keynote speakers address the evolution of light, encapsulating connectivity, smart cities, urban lighting design, and sustainability.
I think the key approaches that all of the designers should consider in their design is how to adapt technology into the context so that it's meaningful, the same for the user experience. I think those are the two main keys.
I think this joint organization of the LpS, the Trends in Lighting, and the DALI Summit is bringing some really useful exchange between these three communities.
Experience a large range of topics from the latest technologies, miniaturization, regulation, component developments, sustainability, and circular economy, to light sources, design, and architectural applications, and light quality for end users. Lake Constance borders Austria, Germany, and Switzerland. The Opera House on the lake is a place to collaborate with peers in the heart of Europe. Innovative architecture, rich culture, dramatic landscapes, and international spirit make Bregenz, Austria, the perfect venue for LpS and TiL.
Things like this are really good, actually. We need safe spaces where technologists, designers, manufacturers can all meet and exchange ideas. I think they can inspire each other and lead to future conversations that will bear fruit.
I think the positive benefits of these kind of events is to remind us all how much we still need to learn. I think the level of debate and conversation that happens in all of the sidebars and during the kind of keynotes is really educational, really educational. It's such a kind of moving profession. It's such a dynamic profession. Forcing people together to listen is really, really important, actually.
Every year, the LpS and TiL Awards honor the best scientific paper, technology, connected solution, sustainable solution, application, and innovation in lighting. This inspires designers, planners, scientists, and technicians to create new and lasting international connections and create lighting for the future. Join us for LpS and TiL in 2020. Connect, collaborate, and create. Be part of the future of light and lighting.